Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the RGB ring light effects in this POCO X8 Pro and the POCO X8 Pro Max. So that's what I'm going to describe in this video, guys, regarding the customization option and what are the settings you should remember about the RGB lighting in the both phones, POCO X8 Pro and the POCO X8 Pro Max. So first thing, let's go to the settings option. So there's additional settings option available. There you can actually find the backlit effects, as you can see. So once you turn on the backlit effect, you do get the plenty of options which are available. So right now on off only when the screen is faced upside down. So this is the first feature which is available right now. So mostly I try to select on only most of the time. And next, now you can actually select the individual gaming and individual applications, how you wanted the light effects to be on in this POCO X8 Pro device. So right now I'm charging. The battery percentage is 28%. And you can see the LED indication. It's kind of orange color, yellow color, as you can see a little bit. So that's how it keeps on changing with the charging percentage. Like after some time, it will get the green color as well. So right now you can set the incoming calls, contacts, and the favorite contacts. This is the first customization which is available. Like if you are getting a call, if the contact is saved in your device, you can select the LED lights will be blinking. Like if you select this option, the contact is not saved in your phone, the LED light will not blink. So you can select the favorite contacts also from individual person where you want to have this kind of RGB lighting effects. For example, mom or dad or your friend, whoever is calling you, only for those people the LED light will be working. Next customization option is while gaming. So gaming lighting effects also is supported with the Call of Duty. Skydiving and the compact is also supported. I'll try to do the separate video on that dedicated. So stay tuned for those updates. And rhythmic lighting effect is also available. So let me just select the rhythmic lighting effect. What are the options you do have? There are so many features, like so many applications which are supported. Let me just select the music application. So right now I selected the music application at this moment. Let's go back. Yeah, as you can see. And there is also YouTube application. Let's try the YouTube. I think YouTube is not there. Okay. So Spotify. Yeah, Spotify is there. So this is a couple of applications which are there and some are not there. And now let me to remove this charger and show you the demonstration how it actually looks like while playing the music. You can see the lights changing. So it's kind of blinking, changing the complete color as well, as you can see. Let me decrease the complete volume to 0. Right now I kept the volume to 0 and the lights, it's not working at all. And as soon as I increase the volume, the lights kept on working. As you can see, guys. So it looks pretty good as well while using the music. You can actually use that. That's also a pretty good, interesting thing. And now let's go back to the notifications. So from which applications you want that light on feature also, you can actually enable that. From WhatsApp or Instagram, individual like that, you can actually do that. And camera status indicator. So for example, if you need to set the timer for the camera, so the flashlight will be blinking on, like the LED light will be blinking on that. Now let me to set the timer if possible. Let's see. And 3. Now it should be blinking, as you can, 2 and 3rd. As you can see, 3 times it did blink and now it did take a photo also. So in this way, you can actually use this kind of timer option while camera. That's also really good, useful, thoughtful feature. I can definitely say that. I was not expecting that feature anyway. And there is also option for the incoming calls, which color you want, and app notification, which color you want. This is the area where I didn't like. In the app notification, there is no option for WhatsApp green color, for Gmail yellow color, and for YouTube red color. It's not a customization option. It's a fixed option. Fixed. So you don't know from which application the notification you got as well, based on the color. That's something which is missing at this moment. I wish they could have included more and more options. So these are the few things you should definitely remember, guys, before you start customizing the RGB lighting effect in this POCO X8 Pro. In case if you have any other questions or doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And one more thing, the missed call alerts is not that much helpful in the device. For example, someone called you and you did not pick up the call, and the light notification will not work. It will not notify that you got a call. It will only blink when you are getting a call. When you are getting incoming call, only that at that time the light will blink. Otherwise, it will not blink after the call. It will not show any kind of missed call alerts, nothing like that. So the kind of disadvantage at this moment which I did find in this RGB lighting, and there is no customization option, which is also another disadvantages. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching until then. Stay tuned. I wish they could have added this feature, which is very, very important, that once you get missed call, the light should keep on blinking until you see you open the phone and you unlock it and you see who is calling you. Till then, it should keep on blinking. And that's what I do feel, guys. And right now, if you are getting they could have done one more thing. Top ring they could have used for incoming calls and certain applications, and ring 2 they could have customized like different applications. So default application and different application. Like if you're getting a call and there's a missed call from the normal dialer, this light should blink. If there is any kind of messages like WhatsApp, Instagram, this light should blink. That's what I'm expecting maybe in the next future updates, like individual RGB lighting rings. That's what I do want. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next, more updates, and see you in the next video, and bye.